the famous song Ode to Joy by Ludwig van Beethoven. And we're going to learn how to play with solfege, or also just playing with finger numbers. And we're going to be basing this first song, Ode to Joy, on the 5-finger pentatonic C scale, which is really easy. It's just C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. So just 5 tones right here. And we're going to start with, in this, we're going to go over, it's going to be like Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Or it's also can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's really easy. So we're going to just start out on our middle finger on Mi, or 3. I'm just going to say the numbers right now because that's what most of you are used to. You're going to have to learn the Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, and that's going to take a little bit of practice just to get you playing fast. So it just goes 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, and then to go down here, we're going to go down here on this 5. This is the octave below, and this would be 5 in the left hand. Viewed as C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it goes 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. And that's it. That's the whole song. For the second part of this tutorial on Ode to Joy, we can make it a little bit fancier, and you can sound like you know what you're doing, even though maybe you've never played the piano before. So we just take that right hand melody and we just keep it going, and then on your paper that you can download for this tutorial, we have joyful, joyful, we adore thee are the words. So on joy, we're going to play the 3rd tone of the C scale, and then just 5 and 1 in the left hand. The C chord is just C, E, G, and we're just playing the bottom and top note of the C chord, and we're just putting it together. So it's going to sound like this. I'll just give you a little demonstration of the first line. Okay, so that sounds pretty good, and it's really easy to do with a little practice. So all I'm doing is putting my 3rd finger on E, which is the 3rd tone of the C scale, which is Mi, Do, Re, Mi, and the left hand is on Do and So, or 1 and 5. So we just put that together, and it goes joyful, joyful, and then we have we adore thee. So on we, on your paper, you're going to go to, your pinky is going to play the So, or the 5th tone of the C scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have the left hand. All we do in the left hand is take our pinky down 1 key, okay, to B. That's part of our G chord. So it goes, we adore thee. And then on God of glory, we have the 1 in the right hand, which is Do. And then just that same left hand pattern. Whenever we see the 1 in the right hand, we just play the 1 chord, so we're just going to play that outer, the bottom, and the top of the 1 C chord. And it goes, God of glory, Lord of love. Right there, I just moved down to that 5. And then you just follow the same pattern for the rest of the song. Hearts unfold like flowers before thee, hail thee to the sun above. So on sun, it's re in the right hand, sun above. Okay, and then it just continues. And then when it goes down, you just go on. It goes dark of doubt away. You just go down and play that, or you can just play the G in the left hand right there. And then it goes giver of immortal gladness. We're just back to our 1 position, 3, and our left hand outer shell. Giver of immortal gladness, fill us with the light of day. And we can make this fancier, the song Ode to Joy, just by, we can do a little broken chord in the left hand. And that just makes it a little bit fancier. And that does take a little bit of hand independence, a little practice. So just take what we learned in the last video, and we're starting on 3 on our E, and our outer shell, C and G. And then when we get to the 5 chord, all we're going to do is take our pinky down to B. So that's super easy. So just keep that right hand going, like we learned in the prior video. Okay, and this music is, you can get a copy right here, download this music on my website, notablepianolessons.com. So let's just see what that sounds like together and see if that sounds a lot fancier, which I think it does. So it goes. To that so kind of messed up there. Okay, so if you want to make this even fancier, you can do some octaves on the right hand. And octaves, all you're going to do is play the same thing, but you're going to add the extra note an octave higher. So we have E here and E up here. It's just, I would just play that right hand first. So it's just 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay, and you just go on like that. You just keep playing just like you did in the prior videos, just adding that extra note above it. So if we add that with just, a basic solid chord right here, interval chord, it sounds pretty decent. So let's just give you an example. Okay, and you can get the idea of right there. And then if you add the kind of a rocking motion, so all I'm doing there is just then on the do we come together, or I should say the 1 chord. can just take that as far as you want. You can start adding thirds